12.
Go!
Go, Sonic! Woo!
We are walking to Gasper Lake, where we saw that monument up top to represent it. So we are just going down to the lake now. Auntie, come now. May I catch you here? You go on YouTube. Oh yeah, this is lovely. It's beautiful. We got stuff. Nice countryside, nice up here. It's beautiful. Thank you, Martel. Oh my goodness, look at that. Wow.
No, I'm so sorry about cherries at the farmer's market.
Hello, Black Beauty. Come here. Hey, here. Here.
Take a moment. Yeah, go ahead.
Throw it in flames.
And I saw that. Oh, look at all the beautiful colors. Look at it. It's rainbow. It's magic.
Ew. That's so gross. And I touched that thing, right? Not gonna be pleasant. Yeah, it's still alive. Now look on this little teeny tiny fish what choose to come bite from my big old night crawler. Eh? What make enough so? Now me go have to throw him in back. Smell like worms. This one gives me hope I can catch some breakfast. So I'm gonna keep going. Five fish so far, but I had to throw back three. They are too small. blueberries, but they're not ripe yet. Jump now. On your marks.
Get set.
Go! Woo! Look at that! Wow, I told you. Look at that. See the little boy there, bud. Auntie Verna! Dinner ready? Oi there! And the leopard. Oh my goodness, that's a cool trail. It's a long walk around here. We decided to walk in the bush. Are they geese? I thought they were ducks.
Elsie looks like a girl because of that.
It's a girl.
Shimmy.